Welcome back to another exciting episode. In our previous videos, we successfully installed Windows 11 ARM on our OnePlus 6T. Today, we're taking it a step further by setting up a dual boot system, allowing you to seamlessly switch between Android and Windows. This is the final part of our series, and it's going to be a game changer. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize that this process requires some technical know-how and involves modifying your phone's system. Proceed at your own risk. To get started, you'll need a few things. A rooted OnePlus 6T, a UEFI image specifically for your device, the WOA Helper app. Let's start by setting up the WOA Helper app. This app is crucial for managing the dual boot process. Download and install the WOA Helper app, open the app and grant it root permissions. This is essential for the app to function correctly. Download the UEFI image for your device and place it in a folder named UEFI in your internal storage. If your ROM doesn't support mounting the SD card Windows folder, you'll need to create a boot image backup using the app. Now, let's use the WOA Helper app to create the necessary files for dual booting. Inside the app, open the WOA Toolbox section. Use the Stuck Creator tool to generate the required files. If the /SD card a Windows folder is empty or read-only, you'll need to create a boot image backup and manually copy it to Windows later. You need root access to use it later, so patch the Android boot image file and copy the Magisk patches file if you want to maintain root access. Once the necessary files are created, you can now quickly boot into Windows. Navigate to C Drive SDA on your Windows partition and create a shortcut to ST-X on your desktop. In my case, it doesn't get created automatically, so I have to manually copy the boot image file. I'm using Pendrive to copy my Magisk patched boot image file to the Windows partition, so my Android partition will maintain the root access. Run the shortcut to switch to Android. Use the Quick Boot to Windows button in the WOA Helper app or the Quick Settings toggle to switch back to Windows. Dual booting might impact your battery life. You might experience some performance differences between Android and Windows. Be mindful of storage usage as both operating systems share the same storage. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a dual boot system on your OnePlus 6T. Now you can enjoy the best of both worlds, the flexibility of Android and the productivity of Windows. Remember, this process involves modifications to your phone's system, so proceed with caution. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech tutorials.